Morning to all the guests, trustees, principal, teaching and non-teaching staff, and all the bright young minds present here. Today we are celebrating the 69th Republic Day. We celebrated our first Republic Day on 26 January 1950. That is exactly 2.5 years after we became independent. For this whole period of 2.5 years, all our learned men like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and their whole team worked tirelessly to make it possible to accomplish this tremendous task of framing world's lengthiest constitution for Republic India. There are several republics across the globe, but India is a special one, as in spite of its diverse culture, its people are able to stand together. Even after 69 years of being republic, we are still struggling with issues like poverty, illiteracy, corruption, casteism, etc. But as now we have braced ourselves to fight against all of them, we can see a future India free of all such drawbacks. Aren't we lucky that we don't have to live under the fear of being bombed? We can sleep peacefully in our homes. We don't have to spend hungry days or gloomy nights. We are under an obligation to all of them who have sacrificed their lives for their fellow Indians, and also for those who are still guarding our borders so that we can peacefully sleep in our homes. Here I would like to narrate an incident from the life of our first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was a man of great vision and knowledge. He played a major role in framing the Constitution. It happened during the final proofreading of the Constitution that a page went missing from the Constitution. Everyone was worried, as there was no other written copy of the Constitution. When Dr. Rajendra Prasad came to know of this, he was not tense at all. He called his writer and dictated the whole missing page, which was by heart to him. Yes, the whole Constitution was by heart to our president. Such was the knowledge, dedication, and perseverance of our leaders, which they have inherited to us. A man must be rooted to his country, while his eyes must survey the world. This is best quoted in a poem by our great poet Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where the tireless striving stretches has led its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into the ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Our ancestors have given us a glorious past. We need to create the future. This Republic Day, lead the change and be proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.